Hi, I'm Carmen Deedy. Happy 50th birthday, Smithsonian Libraries. Hi, I'm Carmen Agra Deedy, and I write books for kids. I love libraries. It wasn't always that way. When I was a small child growing up in a tiny southern town, Decatur, Georgia, the library was not a place that called to me. There were no sirens on those rocks. I was happy to play out in the sunshine, and, well, one day my sister left me there. She had to go to a ballet class, and she didn't want to take me along. And that was the day that my life changed forever. There was a tall, rather frightening, Apollonian-looking woman who was the library goddess. She came toward me, she's an imposing figure, and she asked me why she'd never seen me there before. And of course, I told her that at the time and said, I don't like the library. And she promised me that was because, well, the book hadn't found me yet. The book had been looking for me my whole life. It was a pleasant fiction, but it worked. That day I found a little book, a book I couldn't put down, a book that broke my heart. With recriminations, I returned to that woman weeks later, saying, how could you give me this book? This is a dying book. And she said, I know, Mr. White was a sadist. And I didn't know what that word meant at the time. She was a little bit right. But she also said, you loved it, didn't you? I did. I loved Charlotte's Web. I loved Charlotte's Web, and I loved Trumpet of the Swan, and I loved the Boxcar Children, and I loved Encyclopedia Brown. And I loved the place that housed them. It became not just a sanctuary, but a place where I could feed an insatiable hunger, to know everything I could know, to learn everything I could learn. I've loved libraries ever since, and I'm not alone. We're a silent army. We love her, and we'll defend her to the last volume.